have undertaken a project. So the name of our project is Maths Phobia Now No More, Amazing Maths Ye Dil Mange More. So this was the title of the project. This we have implemented for the whole session in our school.
And for what classes?
So this was basically for class 5, but we have extended it for the other classes as well. And for this project, what we started was, the whole project was divided into 4 phases. In the first phases, we took the help of instructional sheets. A lot of instructional sheets were divided. They were prepared, for example, instructional sheets. In these instructional sheets, a lot of instructions were given to the students, and from those instructions, they had to calculate the things. So in this way, their numeracy was also developed and their literacy was also developed. So like this was an activity where they had to find out the year of birth from their mobile number. They have to find out the number of their brothers and sisters, amazing methods of addition, find out number of brothers and sisters, find out money in their pocket, to find out their date of birth, to find out magic square. So there were a lot of activities, and for all these activities, we had different rubrics. So in the first phase, we gave these instructional sheets to children, and we had, on the basis of separate rubrics, the assessment was done for the children.
And the rubrics was done online?
No, separate rubrics were made for the assessment of these instructional sheets.
But how did you manage the data of the rubrics? Like you have 50 students here.
I will tell you. What happened, we took the whole class, and the whole class was divided into 3 zones. The first was the green zone, yellow zone, and the red zone. So the students were divided into like mediocres, underachievers, and the high achievers. And then from all the zones, we selected the students randomly, and then we divided them into 2 groups. One was the control group, and the other was the experimental group. So we implemented all our strategies on the experimental group, and then we derived the results. And this thing continued for the whole session. So in the first phase, we took the help of instructional sheets. Those were given to the students, and it was done in offline mode as well as in online mode, during school and after school hours as well. So it was taken. And then in the second phase, like the mathematics for the primary classes, their book is also named as Math Magic. So mathematics, like what is the magic in mathematics? So emphasis was given upon that. So we tried to find out magic in mathematics and to learn different concepts from them. So we told them about magic squares, magic calendars, like there is magic in calendar, there is magic in clock, there is magic in square. So what is the magic in different things and how they have to learn the concept from that magic. So we took that concept over there. And in the third phase, we emphasized more upon Toypathon. Toypathon is also one of the dream project of Government of India. So their children, they prepared a lot of toys, models, and then they learned different concepts from them.
Like what?
That I'll show you. And in fourth phase, ma'am, what we did, we emphasized more upon multiplication strategies. So it was not only Indian style of multiplication that they learned Japanese method of multiplication, Chinese method of multiplication, they tried Russian method of multiplication also.
Is it different?
Yeah, it's a little different. The main thing was to find out the magic in that and
like sustain interest.
Yeah, to sustain interest in that, because the main thing was to remove the magic mathematics phobia.
So whatever strategies you have done, do you think when these 5th standard bachas go to 6th one, I think they'll be much more comfortable with maths?
Yeah. They are comfortable. They are very, very comfortable, ma'am. They are very, very comfortable. And lastly, ma'am, the assessment was also done according to the different rubrics, and then students' t-test that was also applied to find out the effectiveness of all the strategies, and the results, they were very encouraging. So we submitted this project to NCRT also, so it was selected by NCRT. So we were awarded from there. So these are our certificates.
आप NCRT को भेजते हो, आपने headquarters को बताया?
Yes, ma'am, it's been from there.
Headquarter के through.
आप ऐसा करो, इसको ना जो चीजें आपके यहाँ से आप NCRT में भेजते हो, rewarded or not rewarded, it is not. But it is an effort by the teachers here who are trying to have some kind of a different method to make some subject interesting to the students. उसका ना एक compilation करके आप इस बार before this session ends,
Okay.
वो आप भेजोगे देखो.
ठीक है.
And if you can do it subject wise, wonderful.
Okay.
लेकिन you mention कि which school.
हाँ.
कि generalize नहीं कीजिएगा, जैसे इस स्कूल ने ये किया है, so it has to be very specific to the school.
And ma'am, assessment what was the assessment? What was
and ma'am, in all the 4 phases we took pre-test and we took post-test as well. and we prepared question papers very differently from the mathematics books.
तो what did you find? That's हो
उसके
गया।
results?
हाँ, results क्या था? मतलब हम टेस्ट कितने बच्चों का लिया था आपने?
Ma'am, we have got all the statistics with us.
नहीं, आप
हाँ,
बताइए।
the
Because
thing-
I was reading your project, मतलब
हाँ, अब statistical analysis है ना, वो दिखाएंगे।
20 स्टूडेंट्स सेलेक्ट किए थे हमने। 20 स्टूडेंट्स के ऊपर ये डिफरेंट स्ट्रेटजीज एप्लीकेबल करी। उसमें हमने इनको 3 ईयर स्कीम थी ये असेसमेंट की। फर्स्ट ईयर के अंदर हमने इनको जो शीट्स थी उनके रूब्रिक्स का उसका एनालिसिस किया और कि रूब्रिक के अकॉर्डिंग टू परफॉर्मेंस क्या आ रही है स्टूडेंट्स की। एंड सेकेंड फेज के अंदर हमने इनका परफॉर्मेंस इंडेक्स कॉम्पिटेंसी वाइज, क्योंकि हमने इसको कॉम्पिटेंसीज रिलेट किया कि डिफरेंट कॉम्पिटेंसीज है, फॉर्मिंग नंबर करेक्टली, अंडरस्टैंडिंग द बेसिक मैथमेटिकल कॉन्सेप्ट, ये डिफरेंट कॉम्पिटेंसी, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग एबिलिटी, न्यूमेरिकल एबिलिटी। तो डिफरेंट कॉम्पिटेंसीज के अंदर बच्चों का जो परफॉर्मेंस था हमने वो प्री टेस्ट एंड पोस्ट टेस्ट का हमने कंपेयर किया एंड उसका पीआई निकाला एंड पीआई वाज अमेजिंग, बहुत अच्छा था। जहां पर हमें लगा कि वापस एफर्ट की जरूरत है तो हमने वहां पर इसको पूरे को रिसाइकिल किया